since we are a customized fund, then we have to find a specific underlying assets. And given that we have plenty underlying assets that are invested, then we might divert them from the fund directly to the underlying assets rather than invest in the fund.
I'm curious, like, what has been the biggest frustration you've seen with people that want to 1031 into funds and are not able to?
Well, I don't know if I can really give you a straight answer on that. This is something that our struggle usually on the 1031 is that we have to find a creative way for them to join in. So in some cases, we're not able to. But the fund allows them the options to diversify. So for 1031, you have to have a very similar matching for the tax purposes. So as a fund, since we are a customized fund, then we have to find a specific underlying assets. And given that we have plenty underlying assets that are invested, then we might divert them from the fund directly to the underlying assets rather than invest in the fund. So that's usually what we're up
So
against.
if there was a way to defer capital gains taxes, like through crypto or businesses or other real estate or save, failed 1031 exchanges, and then be able to invest into your funds, all tax deferred, would that be of value, Gabe?
I believe it will be, yeah.
Yeah. Well, you can learn more about that. We figured this out. We call it the Netflix version of exit planning, and it's using something called a deferred sales trust. And upon the exit of any asset of any kind, you can defer capital gains taxes and then diversify into multiple assets, whether it be funds, whether it be deals actively by yourself, whether it be into real estate or real estate development, whether it be lending, or even, you might go into the stock market. A lot of stuff right now is like 5% for money markets. But it all starts with building a capital gains tax exit plan. If you want to learn more about that, you can go to capitalgainstaxsolutions.com. We just did a $13 million exit for a client in San Diego who are developers who wanted to get a little more passive. They wanted to defer the tax and then went into multiple syndications. And so, again, go to capitalgainstaxsolutions.com to learn more.